the hallways clear. But for some, the school day never ends. It's not happening in the lockers or on the playground. It's happening in their pockets. A single click, a shared secret, or a hateful comment cyberbullying is the invisible weapon that turns digital spaces into digital battlefields.
Social media is powerful. It connects us, entertains us, and it helps us learn. But sometimes, it can hurt more than it helps. Cyberbullying such as online harassment, spreading rumors, or boosting people confidence really influence themselves. And it all starts just one. Disconnects the second etiquette. Be respectful online. The visual shows that even without speaking, respect can be obtained to respond to actions. Ignoring or reacting with laughter encourage bullying.
The third etiquette rule is don't spread rumors. Always verify information before sharing it. False or edited content can harm someone's reputation or may be used for cyberbullying. Think first. If it's not confirmed or true, don't post it or share.
Hindi pa rin talaga accurate yung nakukuha ko. At tapos project yung sa physics.
Hapon pa.
Hindi pa nga naasikaso ng group leader namin. Baka ako na mag-initiate mamaya. Kayo?
Ikaw lang.
Hindi ko din tapos. Sisimulan ko pa lang nga papaya. Ano to? Ba't puro
Hindi,
natin pa
mamaya
ito?
na yan.
Hindi kasi puro natin pa ito.
Kanina pa notify minutes, nakaka-distract. Check mo muna yan, baka emergency yan.
Be, tignan nyo.
Sino nagpakalat nun?
Wala rin akong idea.
Si Stanley ka ako nagpipito ah.
Yan ata yung mag-notify ko.
Baka hapon yan? Pinipicturean tayo ni Stanley.
Sino?
Cyberbullying affects mental health, self-esteem, and even your academic performance. The online world we felt distant, but its impact is real. Every hurtful post and comment leaves a mark.
The fourth rule is responsible for online behavior. This includes refusing to participate in cyberbullying, not reacting to harmful posts, and reporting abusive contents to proper authorities or platform administrators.
Bystanders play an important role in stopping online abuse.
Tayo na naman ang mga nalingit natin o yung proper behavior na isang nagpapalita.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Ano oras na?
Mahigit 5 minutes late.
Aga. Ano? Ginagawa niyo?
I'm sorry po.
Late lang tayo dito. Upo. Ano yung nakakatawa? Ha? Isar? Ano?
Sorry po.
Chloe? Saan? Ano nakakatawa? Alisa? May kukunin lang ako sa faculty. President, ikaw na bahala. Goodbye.
Ano problema niyo? Kanina pa kayo Kaya nga, nagkano pa kayo maaway?
Wait lang po problema na. Oo nga, hindi mo ba halata?
Oo, malata namin. Malata namin. Dahil sila mo, di ba kayo magkano? Pinusi pa kami.
Deserve naman hindi.
Nakita to ng maraming tao dito sa school.
So what?
Alam niyo ba?
Ay, ano?
At akala mo, ikaw, alam namin ikaw nag-post ito.
Oo naman, ano gagawin mo? Tapos ano?
Ano kami kapalma? Cloud chaser.
Hindi kami cloud-chaser.
Ayun.
Hoy! Ano kabuluhan to?
Sila po kasi sir na po. Sabi niyo totoo.
Kayo na po nagsasabi ng totoo? All of you, to the guidance office! Now!
This connects to the fifth netiquette rule. Use technology responsibly. It shows that social media should be used in a safe and ethical way. Problems should be addressed properly instead of ignored.
Practicing the 5 etiquette rules should help create a safer, more respectful, and responsible online environment.
Every day, millions of people connect online. Behind every screen is a real person with a real emotions. Cyberbullying is not just a joke, not just a meme, and not just a comment. It can cause a deep and lasting pain.
These practices protect people's mental health, maintain strong reputation, and build trust within the digital communities.
Netiquette also encourages accountability and empathy, making online spaces more supportive, productive, and secure for everyone.
By applying 5 netiquette rules, thinking before posting, being respectful, and not spreading false information, and report harmful content and using technology responsibly, students can help make their online and schools community safe.
Toto'y bilisan mo takbo. Ilagan mga bombang nakatutok sa ulo mo. Toto'y tumalong ka, tumapa kung kailangan. At baka tamaan pa ng mga balang ligaw. Toto'y makinig ka, huwag kang magpagabi. Baka pagkamalangkat humandusay dyan sa tabi. Toto'y alam mo ba kung ano ang punot dulo ng di matapos-tapos na kaguluhan?